to my channel. So today's a pretty gloomy day. Gotta motivate myself to come out here. Everything's doing super well. Everyone is growing, especially a lot of my cactuses that I recently planted. They're getting in new petals. The good thing about these cactuses is you can control the growth. If it gets too big, just take some of the petals off. That's all you gotta do. So, yeah, everything's looking really good. I am gonna be working on, look, see? I don't finish stuff. I'm been working on this. So what I did with this is I took the inserts that I got at the Dollar Tree, which would have been way easier to do this project if I would have just got one of these big inserts that you can find at Walmart, even Aldi's. I think Walmart, Aldi's might be less expensive than Home Depot. But anyways, I had already bought these, so I try to work with them. And I cut them and I try to shape them to the shape that this thing has. And I also put in, what is it? I have a roll of screen that my husband found. And I told him, yeah, pick that up because I use it for the bottom of my pots. So it also has screen in there, you know, for the windows. So that's what's in there. And now I'm going to go ahead and choose some plants and start planting. And I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Maxie, you looking for something? Max, come say hi. Look, my unfinished projects. Yep, you see? Look, I'm already moving to something else without even finishing these projects. And I have the plans for them. I just haven't finished it. But let me show you real quick. Let me show you real quick. Ignore the broom. See, everyone's doing well. Everyone has been doing really good. So yeah, anyways, let me get back to what I was saying. Maxie, come say hi. Oh, I poked you, sorry. Come say hi. I'm gonna go get some plants and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Right, Max? Maxie, right? Maxie. Here it is. I'm all done. I love the way this turned out. So pretty. The colors, I feel like, complement each other so well. I love that hedgehog aloe. This is Echeveria Blue Alto, Echeveria Cronenberg. This one, I believe, did not have a name. I have to look at the pot, but I believe it did not have a name. And it's definitely not an imbricata. It's got like a wave to the leaves. A little wave. How cute does that look? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. I hope that this inspires you guys to go to yard sales and thrift stores and pick up some items and transform them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.